Hi guys, today we gonna learn to make DIY paper bow. Easy gift wrapping paper bow, making simple paper crafts. So you need some required materials. First you have to take a shape of a color paper.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Take the color paper and crease it vertically by your hands as like showing on the video. Now cut it through the creasing by a scissor. Keep it cutting. Now cut its one side. Then bind two sides with some glue. Keep your eyes carefully. You have to glue also in its inner side. Attach that on its middle side as like showing in the video. Make it more by the same way. Now glue again on its middle side. Then attach another of it as it looks like a cross sign. Now glue again over its middle side and another of it. Keep it continue as like showing on the video. Finally take the small cut-in paper, glue on its middle side and attach it. Then attach its both side roundly with some more glue. Now attach it over middle of the flower with some glue again. Keep attaching. Okay, now see how beautiful of your making flower is. So by this you can make more DIY paper bow. Easy gift wrapping paper bow, making simple paper craft.